But before we talk about the medium range, we need to know what's going on in the short range. And so for that, let's head up to the Outreach Studios, where student meteorologist Jacob Morse has the forecast. Good evening, Jacob.
Good evening, Christopher. It was a gorgeous day today. If you ventured outside, you probably needed the sunglasses and the short sleeve t-shirt because temperatures were well above average today, and they will continue to be above average as we go into the day tomorrow. However, some more unsettled weather is headed our way with some thunderstorms expected over the next couple of days. We'll talk about that in just a little bit. But check out this view across the Commonwealth today. Beautiful blue skies showing up on many of our cameras across the state. And this is a closer look in southwest PA across the Penn State Fayette campus. Some upper level cirrus clouds filtering out the sunshine there this afternoon, and in the western half of the state, temperatures were able to get up into the upper 70s and even exceeding the 80-degree mark in some cities, the warmest day of the year in some parts of Pennsylvania. Across the eastern half of the state, a little bit cooler, but still above average for this time of year. This is because a warm front is draped across the Commonwealth. We can see some lower level clouds enhancing because of that warm front in some parts of Pennsylvania. And southwest of this warm front is where some gusty winds are present, helping to usher in that much more mild air mass. Winds in excess of 20 to 25 mile per hour gusts are being observed this afternoon in southwest PA. We'll be continuing to see this warm front that you see a temperature gradient across Pennsylvania push to the north and east, allowing for all of Pennsylvania to get into well above average temperatures as we go into the day tomorrow. However, some chances of showers and thunderstorms will be associated with this much more mild air mass. As we look up to our north, we see a band of cloud cover and some showers and thunderstorms off to our northwest in the Great Lakes. These showers will stay off to our north as we go into the overnight hours tonight. It's not until we get into the afternoon and evening hours tomorrow when we have to pay attention to some showers progressing to the east, as a plume of moisture is across the Great Plains right now, and an area of low pressure will be developing and pushing to the east over the next couple of days. But out ahead of that, check out this big dome of high pressure and a surge of warmth into the Midwest, as well as into parts of the Mid-Atlantic, with temperatures into the 80s across many locations, about 15 to 20 or more degrees above average for this time of year in the Midwest and Mid-Atlantic. As I mentioned, we'll be continuing to see above average temperatures, especially for the day tomorrow. So that warm front that's draped across Pennsylvania will progress off to the north and east, allowing for all of Pennsylvania to get into well above average temperatures for the day tomorrow. There will be an increase in cloud cover, as well as a chance of some showers and thunderstorms by the afternoon and evening hours throughout the state as this warm front is to the north. We'll be getting into that warm sector, allowing for some instability to creep in to our area. Now, let's time this out a little bit closer to home, hour by hour for you. We see an increase in cloud cover in the overnight hours tonight. It will be a mostly cloudy day on Wednesday. And you can see some of those showers and thunderstorms firing off first in northwestern PA in the afternoon hours, and then possibly progressing throughout most of Pennsylvania throughout the evening and especially overnight hours on Wednesday. As we go into your Thursday, more widespread showers are anticipated throughout the Commonwealth, and possibly some rumbles of thunder too, especially in southwest PA on Thursday. But first, as we go into the overnight hours tonight, will be a very mild night, with temperatures only dropping back into the upper 50s near the 60-degree mark. That's a big difference compared to lows that we saw in the 30s and 40s last night. And we'll be seeing that increase in cloud cover statewide. And then as we go into the day tomorrow, will be a mostly cloudy day. Those showers and thunderstorms will be likely in the afternoon and evening hours in northwest PA, possibly progressing into the northern tier and southwest PA by the evening hours. Otherwise, staying mostly dry with mostly cloudy skies in other parts of PA. But check out these high temperatures into the upper 80s possible in southeast PA, and there will be an increase in dew points statewide, so you will feel an increase in humidity for the day on Wednesday. And the Storm Prediction Center does have northwest PA highlighted in a level 1 out of 5 chance of seeing some strong and possibly severe thunderstorms on Wednesday with some damaging winds. As we go on into the day on Thursday, it will be a cooler day, but still above average. Cloudy skies statewide with showers throughout the state. Back in a moment with more. It'll be a very mild night across the Commonwealth as lows only drop back into the upper 50s to around the 60-degree mark. Clouds will be on the increase as well. And as we go into the day on Wednesday, it'll be a mostly cloudy day with temperatures surging into the upper 70s and maybe even into the upper 80s in southeast PA, about 15 to 20 degrees above average. Mostly dry in southeast PA, but as we go into the afternoon and evening hours, showers and thunderstorms likely in the northwest, possibly producing some damaging winds and some severe thunderstorms in that part of the state. Showers and thunderstorms are possible in the evening and overnight hours in north central and western PA. And as we go into the into the day on Thursday, it will remain cloudy and temperatures will be cooler than they were on Wednesday. However, still above average this time of year. Showers more widespread throughout all of Pennsylvania, but especially down in southwest PA. Back to you, Christopher.